Hi buddy, this is Jerry Dean, and I'm gonna go over this toothbrush here. That's a sonic toothbrush and pretty cool. Coming up next. So first of all, I want to do the box and show you the presentation of the box. As you can see, here is the box here, and let me show you as I open it here. It's a nice little silk tab here, and we open it up, and there is this very cool little box with what a very nice toothbrush inside. So as you can see, there's these, it's called a little gift here, interdental head. I haven't even looked to see what that is at this point in time. And here are a couple more heads, and here the toothbrush itself. Let's get it out. And as you can see, look at that, you even got a cover on there. Let's give it a try. Oh, look at that. You hear that? Massage. This is a really attractive toothbrush, I think. It's got a little gold button there, and it does all these little functions here. I don't know how often you would be using these functions. I don't know myself. I mean, I look at that and go, oh, well, I can use that and that. But most of us, we're in a hurry just to get our teeth done and move forward. So this is very handsome. It sits up on the shelf. Now it has a USB charger. So you have the white function, straight on goes. The clean, sensitive, polish, massage. And I also, there is some more little, let me open them up for you. I suppose I should have done that beforehand, but this is brand new in here. And here is another brush. Let me compare it to the one we already have here. And there is, it looks pretty much the same, just a different color. And there's another brush. Oh, it's the soft brush. Let's open that one up. So if you have sensitive teeth, you can do this soft brush. Yeah, this looks like a regular brush. It's very, very soft brush. It's a color, it looks much, it feels softer than this one here. And then you have the soft, also the soft button on here. So between the two of them, it should work pretty good. I tried it a little bit, and it seems to be very strong when you put it on polish. It does a really good polish job. So at first you might be, oh, this is pretty strong toothbrush. So it looks pretty good. And then let me look at this other piece here, the gift that comes in it with it. Let's take a look at that. And let's see. Look at this. There we go, and it is the interdental head. So I am assuming, it's got little tiny brushes, I'm assuming that's probably for going in between your teeth, or maybe in the back of the molars where I don't know. I don't know what it's for, but it's very, very tiny. So if you've got a little spot that you want concentration on in the back of your tooth or behind your tooth, looks to me like this would really do it. And it's a small one, so you could get back there. You don't have to worry about one and trying to get that all the way back into your mouth. I don't know about you, but sometimes I have trouble getting things all the way back to my molars, and because the toothbrush is so large, getting it all the way back. With this one, you wouldn't have that problem. So pretty cool. So very, very nice setup. So I think I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. I got it for they had a special on it for $18. It normally is $26. I felt I wanted to try it out. I thought, well, it's under 20 bucks. How can you go wrong? And at $26, I still think it's a good investment, that you've got a really good, nice looking and very well working product here. Fairywill has other products, has other like toothpaste and other oral health products that you can use that I haven't tried, but I want to give them a try now. After use this brush and after I've looked at the way they've presented it, it's like the Apple of the toothbrush company, I think. Nice presentation and nice looking toothbrush. I certainly want to give their other products a try, and I think it's kind of nice that you don't have to deal with plugging this in and charging it other than once every 30 days. I think it's going to be really nice. The fact that you have an adapter may be a little bit annoying because you're gonna, I mean, it's like, do you hook it up to your computer? I suppose if you really had to, you could hook it up to your laptop, but you know, most people have a couple of adapters laying around. You have to unplug it and plug it in. I probably overnight charge it up completely, got another 30 days. So not too bad, not too bad. It looks like we got a VIP invitation, get coupon and free trial product in there. Very nice little card full of, oh, they have different products they show you. Look at this. Different colors. I got the black one, but looks like we could get any other colors here. Pink. Ooh, and a gold. Ooh, gold and the black. So they all, like I said, really nice looking products here. All right, well, that's it. Thanks a lot for listening, and give me your feedback on it. And if you think you'd like to get one yourself, you can go ahead and do the link down below and it'll take you over to Amazon and boom, you can order one. All right, thank you. See you later, bye-bye. And massage.